Okay, we're looking at example 2, drawing a graph from a table of values, finding the gradient and the y-intercept. So with this one, we've got the graph y equals 3x minus 2. Hopefully you'll recognize that that is in gradient intercept form. Now the gradient is m, which is the coefficient of x, which in this case is 3. The y-intercept is c, which in this case, I'll just call y-intercept is equal to minus 2. So that's our gradient and our y-intercept. So we then need to be able to draw the graph, but we're going to do it from a table of values because that's what they've asked us to do. So we'll do the same as we normally do, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and we're going to put in those values. So if I chuck that in, I'm going to get minus 2 there. I'm going to get 3 minus 2 is... That's my gradient. 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to get 6 minus 2 is 4. Then I get minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. And then I'm going to get minus 6 minus 2 will give me minus 8. So that is what I'm going to plot. So I've got 0 minus 2. I've got 1, 1. I've got 2, 4, and you'll notice that the other ones, I might be able to get one more on there. Minus 1, minus 5 is there. So the rest of them don't sit on there. So that is our line. Now, technically, the question has just asked us to draw the graph, which we have now done using a table of values. But then it goes on and check that they form a linear equation same as the original one. So we've already worked this out, but we worked it out so that we could double check ourselves, basically. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work out what the y-intercept and the graph is, what the gradient is on this graph. So the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, which in this case is there. So our y-intercept from our graph, so not from what we've done up here, but from our graph, our y-intercept is indeed minus 2. And our gradient we work out by working out rise over run. Now, doesn't matter which 2 points you pick. You can choose any 2 points. And all you're going to do is work out what is my rise, what is my run. So this one here, it rises 1, 2, 3. So my gradient is rise over run. So 3 over 1, which I could also write as 3, which you can look up there and say, hey, they are the same. That's excellent. We've got it. But now we need to form a linear equation from it. We've obviously already got the linear equation because that's how we drew the graph, but we're going to do it again. So we want it in the form of y equals mx plus c. So we replace our m with our gradient that we've got there, and we replace our plus c with our y-intercept, which in this case is 3x minus 2. So that one that we've done from the graph is the same as what was in the question. So we are correct and everything has gone really well. Well done.